Wake up, Lisa.
Yes, Mom, I wake up.
Get ready for school.
Okay, Mom. You look so fat, ha ha ha.
You look very ugly. You look very ugly. Ha 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 ha.
Why are you crying, Lisa?
Because everyone is bullying me, because I am fat.
Don't be sad, I will talk to their parents. So, our lesson today is about
Why everyone is bullying me. I should be more beautiful.
Wow, I look very beautiful.
Hey, students, why you were bullying Lisa this morning. It is not good to bully even if it is true that she is fat. Sorry, teacher.
Sorry.
You should say sorry to Lisa, not me.
So, we finished our story why students should not bully part 1. Wait to see part 2. It will be very nice and beautiful, so don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you. Bye.